Hello, everybody. It's Teacher Noreen here, and I'm so happy to see everyone today. Every time you see me, you know what it means, right? That means we're going to have another fun lesson, right? So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Okay, my friends, for today, we're going to take a closer look on when to use capital letters. It could either be in writing a sentence, right? In writing names, right? So that is what we're going to talk about for today. The double-decker capital letters. So Teacher Noreen is going to show you some examples of words where we always need to use capital letters. Okay, so let's begin with names of people, right? Any names, whether that is your friend, your mom, your dad, your relatives, your teachers, as long as it's a person's name, it needs to be capitalized. Okay, here are examples of people's names: Katrina, Lester, Ernest, Lou, Randy, right? So don't forget, even your own name, it has to start with a capital letter, okay? What are other examples of words, Teacher Noreen? I have here names of countries, right? Wherever you are staying, wherever country you're in, it should always start with a capital letter. Here are examples: Iran, Bangladesh, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Greece, right? Your country, my country should also start with a capital letter, okay? So if there are countries, there are also cities, right? I think you're all familiar with the names of your cities, right? But here are examples as well: Cairo, Baghdad, Copenhagen, Jakarta, Munich, right? All city names should begin with capital letters as well. Not only that, days of the week should always begin with a capital letter as well. Here are examples: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, right? We only have 7 days of the week. So it's very easy for us to remember that these days should start with a capital letter, right? Not only that, my friends, the months of the year should also be capitalized. So every time you're writing the date, it includes the month, right? So it should always be capitalized. Here are examples of months: April, June, August, October, December, right? All of the names of the month should start with a capital letter. Not only that, the tourist spots, the places that you visit, my friends, all of those names should begin with a capital letter. Let me give you some examples of tourist spots. We have here Borobudur Temple, Burj Khalifa, Buckingham Palace, Patong, and Grand Canyon, right? Take a look closely. They all begin with the capital letters, right? Okay, so what else, Teacher Noreen? Should we use a capital letter too? I have here the first letter in sentences, right? So the first word that you write should always begin with a capital letter. I'm going to give you some examples. That was a great show. See, take a look at the first word, that. The first letter is capitalized, isn't it? See? How about the others? She is happy to see her teacher. Take a look at the first word again. Capitalized, right? Okay. How about this one? Where are we going? Take a look at the first word. Is it capitalized? Yes, it is. And here's another one. Woohoo! Even if it's only one word, it still should start with a capital letter. Right? Okay, so let us apply what we learned about capital letters for today. Okay, we're going to have a short activity. I'm going to show you sentences that are not written correctly. So all of them are not capitalized. So we're going to point out on the words that should be capitalized. Okay, let's start with the first one. I have here, on Monday, the class will visit the Taj Mahal. So there are three words there, my friends, that should be capitalized. Can you help me find them and point it out on your screens? Okay, if you say on Monday and Taj Mahal should be capitalized, then you are correct, right? Days of the week, tourist spot, and the first word in your sentence should be capitalized, right? Very good eyes, my friends. Let's try another one, shall we? I have here, are you going to visit me on Tuesday? There are two words there that should be capitalized. What do you think are those words? Go ahead, point it on your screen. Teacher Noreen, it's R and Tuesday. So if you say it's those two, then you are correct once again, right? The first word of the sentence is capitalized and day of the week, right? Which is Tuesday. Very good. Let's try the last one for today, my friends. Let's visit the Colosseum in Rome next December. There are four words here, my friends, that we need to capitalize. What do you think are those four words? You can read them or you can point at the words. Go ahead. Awesome! If you say it's let's, Colosseum, Rome, and December, you are correct. Well done, everybody. But that's all the time that we have for today. But don't you worry, we're going to see each other again soon, okay? You have to try capital letters by answering the activity sheets that Miss Noreen or Teacher Noreen prepared for you. All right. Bye, everybody. I'll see you again soon.